little fox.
Meet the Animals, Episode 6, Gray Wolf. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm a gray wolf. Wolves are a kind of wild dog. We're bigger than most pet dogs.
Where do you live?
I live in the United States. Wolves live in other parts of the world too. We live in forests and tundra and on prairies.
Are you dangerous?
Lots of people think we're dangerous. But we almost never hurt people.
What do you eat?
Sometimes we eat small animals like hares. We also hunt bison and moose.
Whoa! Bison and moose are big animals.
Yes, but wolves live in packs. We all work together to hunt big prey.
How do wolves learn to hunt?
Cubs learn by playing. They pretend to fight each other. And they chase small animals.
What's that sound?
That's our pack leader. He howls to keep our pack together. I've got to join my pack now. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Gray Wolf.
재미가 쏠쏠, 영어가 술술. 리틀팍스.